Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. DeepSeek AI has been popping up everywhere lately. But can it actually be helpful for content creation? In this video, I'll walk you through the process of using DeepSeek AI for content creation. I'll show you step-by-step how to create horror story videos using DeepSeek AI and Edimakor. This tutorial is also suitable for making 3D cartoon video, movie explanation video, and so on. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Generate a video title. Let's head over to DeepSeek AI. Before we ask anything, we need to gather some important details. Find a channel that focuses on horror story videos and copy its information. Now paste it into DeepSeek AI to analyze the content style. I have put the prompt in the description area. So if you ever need video scripts or topic ideas from any channel, you can simply copy the prompt to ask DeepSeek AI. If you find it helpful, please click the like and subscribe below. It's very helpful for me. All right, now let's generate video titles using DeepSeek. Also copy the prompt, head over to DeepSeek and paste it. And here you go. DeepSeek not only generated several titles similar to the channel we analyzed before, but also the titles are SEO friendly. And here are our titles. Now that we have the perfect video titles, let's move on to the next step. Step 2, writing scripts. We will also be using DeepSeek for this. First, choose any one of the topics from the list. Then copy the prompt and send. And here it is, the perfect horror story video script. I'm shocked because it feels like it was created by a real person. There's nothing robotic at all. Now we have the script ready. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3, script to video. Here we are going to use Edimakor, an AI-based video editor that is integrated with AI Talking Avatar, AI Video Generator, AI Speech-to-Text, AI Video Translator, AI Text-to-Speech, AI Background Remover, AI Vocal Remover, AI Voice Changer, and so on. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, open Edimakor and click AI Video Generator. You can see it has two options, Idea to Video and Script to Video. The Idea to Video allows you to generate a video from a single idea. Script to Video can generate a video based on your video script. We already have generated a video script from DeepSeek AI, so we use the script for the video. Paste the script here. Now let's add footage. Here you can import your video or use AI to auto-pick. The materials picked by AI are all copyright-free. Now click Generate a Video. In the new window, navigate to the right and open VoiceOver. The great thing about Edimakor is that it has many AI voiceovers for you to choose from. You can choose it by its language, accent, use case, gender, and age. And the quality of those AI voiceovers is very good. You can also clone your voice here.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Now, choose a subtitle style and music you like. And click Advanced Edit to move on to the next step. Step 4, Advanced Edit. In the editing window, adjust the length of the videos and subtitles to align with the voiceovers. Now watch it and find the video clips that don't fit the content and replace it. Here we will go to the built-in material library in Edimakor. It has copyright-free videos, pictures, GIFs, and backgrounds. Copy the keywords from the text and search it here. Download the one that best fits your video and drag it to replace the original one. Now, after it's done, let's go to audio to add some horror sound effects to the video. Select sound effect and choose horror here. Download and drag the audio to the timeline and place it. Now this is our final result.
On his first night, Jake hears something scratching at the door. He opens it to find nothing but the fog, thick and impenetrable. Over the next few days, the scratching becomes more persistent. Jake begins to see a shadowy figure moving through the trees. It's always just out of reach, disappearing into the fog. Whenever he tries to approach, it vanishes into the mist. At night, he hears footsteps circling the cabin.
And that's how you can make a horror story video using DeepSeek AI and Edimakor. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.